In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Butler for Trello in 5 minutes. Butler is Trello's built-in automation tool that saves you time by turning repetitive work into set and forget rules. In a few minutes, you'll create a simple rule that reacts to something you do on a board and performs helpful actions automatically. First, sign into your Trello account so you can access your boards. Make sure you're using a board where you have permission to add automations, since Butler runs at the board level and respects your workspace's limits. Open the board you want to automate. At the top, on the board header, find Automation. This opens Butler's control center. You'll see several options here, but we're focusing on rules, which combine a trigger with one or more actions. Rules are great for things that should happen every time a specific event occurs. Choose Rules, then select Create Automation. You're now in the rule builder. Start by adding the condition that will kick things off. Click Add Trigger. Triggers are the when this happens part. For example, choose something like when a card is added to the list Ideas by me. This means anytime you add a card to that specific list, the rule will fire. Pick the list that fits your workflow and, if available, set the actor to yourself to keep things scoped. Once you've selected the trigger, click the blue plus button to add it to the rule. You should see it appear in the rule summary, confirming it's in place. Next, choose what should happen automatically. In the Actions panel, you might add steps such as applying a label, moving the card to a different list after labeling, setting a due date, or assigning the card to a teammate. Select the action you want, and each time you decide on one, click the blue plus button to add it. You can stack multiple actions here, and they'll run in the order you add them. Keep actions focused and relevant so your rule stays clear and easy to maintain. When your trigger and actions look right, click Save at the top. Saving activates the rule on this board. From now on, whenever your trigger event occurs, Butler will execute the actions you defined. If something isn't working as expected, you can return to automation and adjust the rule without starting over. That's it. You've just built a practical Butler rule that turns a routine task into an automatic workflow, helping you keep your board organized with less effort.